Hi guys, we are on the way to the province and we're at a stopover right now. It's such a nice view. It's such a nice open space.
This is how we, since there's no straw, but there's no spoon, but there's a straw. We're using this one. Scoop it out. It's clean, and we put this here, just like that, you know.
Have landed here in Baguio. We have been in Baguio for the past 30 minutes. We went down for a short bathroom break. It's 26 degrees right now. I think 26 or 7. 26 or 7. I'm just wearing the right clothes right now. Long sleeves. I didn't bring any jacket because I didn't think it would be this cold. I'm gonna buy ice in a 7-Eleven because there are no more 7-Elevens nearby. Welcome to our Baguio house. Kind of far from the main city, but it's still accessible since one of the landmarks here in Baguio, the Mines View Park, is literally like above our house. Yeah, the last time we were here was, well, not me. I wasn't here last year, but they were here last year and they went around the place. I think my last time here was 2 years ago or 3. Oh, yeah, 3 years ago here in the house, but not really in Baguio because I was in Baguio also last year, but not here. The house is like one of the houses that we go to every year. It's either here. This is one of the houses that every year we have to go to and visit, right? The house is in need of like lots of heavy renovations. I mean, at least the lights work, right? The water works sometimes, but by renovation I mean some of the tiles have like cracked because of the cold. Some of the lights don't work. People try to enter, and I think prior to this trip there have been people who have entered. Right now we just brought all our things from the van and place them inside. Steep incline. We are in an empty field right now. I will have to wait for probably an hour or more. They did a 10-kilometer run, which I would not want to put myself through. We're just gonna walk around. Got a cinnamon roll from like this local bakery, paired with the signature coffee of foam bro. Geek. Now we're gonna try another bakery that's like a little more popular, a little more famous everywhere, because this was just like a random bakery that I just really passed by. I don't think I've ever walked through the bridge ever in my 18 years of living. This feels like a first world country. I mean, not to belittle like other places, but the cold is making things feel better. I feel like if Manila was this cold, it would have been fine. I just woke up from my like 8-hour nap because I didn't sleep all night, right? So we are going to SM. That's the house. Mall is hella full. It's always like this every single time we're here. This is technically really the only mall that has most of the things that we need here in Baguio. What if yung microphone? I found the binoculars we had here. It was infested with insects earlier, but cleaned it up. Everything looks fine. Well, not clean, just got rid of, you know, the dirt. But this one, you can use this one as far as the other side of the mountain, like right, very far. You could really spot everything from afar. Your speech. If you fall, you're gonna fall. So let's not do that. This is the house from outside. See? It's like the only house on this like level. We are back in SM because it's raining and there's no other close area where we could stay at. So vibey, bro. My AirPods are dead, so I can't listen to any good songs. It's very foggy. It's around 6. Okay, 3. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Nobody got. The morning hike. Wait, not hike. The morning climb up to the main road. Before we start the yellow trail, I need some coffee, but I haven't eaten yet, so let's see about that. I think I'll just get the snack first. Growing up, for some time, I really hated going to Camp John Hay because of the stories I heard. I loved reading like horror stories, especially in like old historical places. For example, this Diplomat Hotel here in Baguio, which was filled with like nuns, or you know, honestly, anything scary that's from like the Japanese occupation. That scares me a lot. Camp John Hay is one of those places that's scary to some people, especially me back then. But now, this is like a place I'd want to go to, or probably a place that I would want to visit when I'm here in Baguio. Ooh, we are passing through a secret passage. Well, not secret, but no one just passes through here. Ito na yung trail pala. Bro, we have not reached the yellow trail. I'm running out of breath. We are beginning the yellow trail hike after that 2-kilometer walk earlier just to get coffee. This is a zip line, an old zip line that I don't think they've demolished yet. So right now it's just blending in with nature, and it really fits well because you feel like you're in a Tarzan movie. The trail is not that difficult. I mean, the last time I was here I was wearing like really unfit shoes that cannot be used for trail. Low-key sad because my AirPods are dead, so I can't really get in the vibe. But probably would be better to not have earphones because you'd want to be with nature. There are huge ants right now. I don't know if this is rude or what, but I don't think you're supposed to stack rocks on top of each other. Like, okay, everyone does it, it's like a culture, but I've heard things that you're not supposed to stack stones or rocks on top of each other and leave it like that, you know. I don't know, I'm not a person who should, you know, call it out, but that's just a question. I'm like, why do you have to write on the plants? You know, I don't think that's right. We're at the edge of the mountain, and one wrong step and you're gonna fall. We're at the edge. We're in the United States of America. This is halfway. Yeah, this is halfway. So this one's like no entry. I think this one's the US Embassy. And yeah, this is the halfway mark, so we're turning back. We went to the wrong way. This is the residence of the US Ambassador. I'm not sure where we are or if we're supposed to pass through here because the yellow trail isn't showing us a clear path towards anywhere. So I think we go there, we go here. I think here. Let's just assume the best. Wait. House. There's a log. Should I walk? Let's attempt. Do. Almost there. Is that the house of the ambassador?
Kami, tapos nakulit kami.
Okay, we are Indiana Jones. I think we're at the end. Right now, we don't want to wake the hippo. Ding, 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 ding.
This is a known spot. This is a spot where you can find wild monkeys.
what was supposed to be a 30-minute trail became an hour trail. Probably because of our photo shoots and pauses. Losses. Espresso yourself for bad coffee.
Shabu.
There's a clearance sale here in Nike. Well, of course, I'm not gonna buy it. Like, I'm just gonna check if there's anything that, that looks good, that looks nice. Oh, this one's nice. I'm actually, like, super overstimulated. We are gonna bike.
Kami magpe-pedal.
I'll drive.
Hi!
Is it 0.5?
Yeah. This. Hi! Elvis ah! Elvis ah! Elvis! Yay! Bigat siya.
Walang beep beep beep. Go.
Yeah. Oh.
Go!
Dalawa naman tayo eh.
Oh, leg workout ah.